Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Serious tension in Kano State as the government removes, Sanusi's portrait from Coronation Hall and replaces his portrait that has been there. Remember, Ganduje banished him, and sent him to exile until El-Rufai took him to Lagos and they could not restore him and what have you. Now his portrait has completely been removed. That's the former disgraced emir of, Sanusi, and also the person who currently, is he used to be CBN governor, and right now he has nowhere particular. Anxiety engulfed the city of Kano yesterday following the sudden resurfacing of the portrait of the 14th Emir of Kano, Mohammed Sanusi, in Coronation Hall, Government House in Kano. Anxiety has engulfed the city in Kano yesterday following the sudden resurfacing of the portrait of the 14th Emir of Kano, Mohammed Sanusi, in Coronation Hall, Government House, Kano. Prior to the development, popular Coronation Hall, presently undergoing renovation, had the portrait of Emir of Kano as Amin Abdul Bayero and his counterpart in the Four Emirate Council. The development favored the rumored plan to reinstate the former governor of Central Bank 3 years after his unceremonious dethronement and banishment. Former Governor Ganduje dethroned the technocrat in 2020 for allegedly insubordination and failure to attend the newly established Emirate Council meeting. Sanusi was also accused of working against the sitting government, Ganduje, at that point in time. However, the leader of the Kwansiri movement, the governor Rabiu Kwankwaso, vowed to revisit issues involving the removal of the Sanusi in office. Kwankwaso made the commitment when the new Nigerian People Party won the election and reclaimed Kano for its party. Although Governor Abdul Yusuf has neither reiterated nor confirmed Kwankwaso's commitment, his administration had on several occasions described the NNPP government as a continuation of Kwankwaso's administration. Meanwhile, the state government said placing Sanusi portrait in Coronation Hall despite the importance of the 14th Emir of the state. Chief Press Secretary of the Governor, Sanusi Tafel, stated, "History of the Coronation Hall is symbolic with the fourth Emir of Kano, Mohammed Sanusi, because it was built for his reputation of staff of office when he was crowned to succeed the late Abdul Bayero in 2014 during the administration of Kwankwaso. So traditionally, his picture should remain there forever. Bringing down the picture of the 14th Emir is part of the ongoing rehabilitation of the Coronation Hall to ensure we put things in order." So this is what is going on. Wahala start for Kano State. As we can see right now, the former emir of Kano is picture. They don't put him back. Say a picture need to come back. What Ganduje did that day. He's no longer finding it funny because right now Ganduje's mission is being reinstated. Okay, Ganduje is no longer the governor, and Tinubu has not appointed him in any place, so he's neither here nor there. And those mission statements that he carried out, some of them, that's what happened when you have a government. When one come, one go, the matter remain the same. So this is exactly what is going on now. Okay, and this is what is happening. This is what is happening. The picture has been restored into where it should be. Because when you think that life begins and ends with you, especially governors and people, wherever you are, whatever position you find yourself, you will not be there forever. See, listen, you will not be there forever. Be careful how you treat the people who are around you. Treat them well. Do something for them. Do something for them. Okay? In a positive direction. Don't leave a bitter taste in the mouth. You know why? A day will come, you will no longer be there. What would you be remembered for? What have you done? What would you have done that will be remembered? We need to be careful. You can't just wake up one morning, and begin to treat people as if they are less than you. Excuse me. Everybody is important. Now, that does not call for disrespect or disregard of your office. However, if you treat people with love and respect and kindness, like the saying goes, one good turn deserves another, it will spill back to you. As you are treating others, will definitely come back to you. So let's treat people, with integrity, with honor, and know that at the end of the day, okay, Nigeria can become a better place, and every single person can truly, sincerely benefit from it. So let's not treat people with disdain, because a time will come. You will either whatever you have sown, you will either have it or you have yourself to blame. So it is what it is. Ganduje daddy thought that after him, he said, "Na him again." No, 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 no. Highest you can have is 210. Whatever you guys have, go and sort it out. You know what he did? He banished the guy. Oh dear, that year, no be small thing happen. Ganduje, I dey hear you for this side, no be small thing you do so. So this is what happened. But right now, the guy's picture has been reinstated, and there's a bit of tension. In fact, all work of the Ganduje that he has done in the States has been destroyed, all the legacy destroyed. But I don't subscribe to that, because it's the money of the people you are wasting. Okay? It's the money of the people you are wasting. So everybody needs to be careful how we go about, doing things that are wrong. We need to be careful how we go about those areas. So this is what is happening, and this is what has gone on, and why, again and again, we must be careful. Okay? We must be careful. So this is what is happening, and every single person, we're watching carefully to see how some of these issues will play out, so that at the end of the day, Nigeria can become a better place. People use their personal matters to go into government and begin to afflict others. Nigeria, the typical African way. That's not the way. When it comes to your work, be professional. Do what you need to do and leave sentiment aside. Yes? Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a lovely and a fantastic day. From us, it's bye for now. Bye-bye.